what's up? My name is Patty. Her name is
Bella.
Her name is Rosalie. And today we're making slime again because we messed up on the other one.
Yeah,
it got
that was
hard,
part 1.
mushy, and disgusting. And
So
we're making
that was
another
part
one.
1, so now it's part 2.
Yeah, we're making another one. So guys. Ta-da! Okay, so what we need is baking soda. Eye contact lenses, a bow,
Like glitter, but it's white. You guys can see that.
and some sour bag to put our slime in at the end. And stop. Pay attention.
Juice glue.
That's so naughty. And last but not least, glue.
Or you want to put all of it in?
No, we're not gonna put all of it in. Okay, so we're gonna show you the slime we made. I think 3 days ago. Not the one in the video. So the slime we made was this slime.
She called it mermaid.
Yeah, we call it the mermaid slime, and this slime, the purple bead slime. And yeah, and we have another one. We'll show you. And we have this slime. It's not actually green. It's this green bead slime. Okay, and yeah, so let's get started. Oh yeah, and give me a spoon to mix. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna be using this
Bow.
a bow,
It's blue.
a spoon, bring a stopper,
A glue.
and glue. We're not
But
gonna
we
use-
don't know which one we're gonna use. Use this one because this one has a little.
No, we're gonna use this one. That one has a little spoon. I'm using Elmer's glue.
I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it.
Guys, we have another spoon.
You gonna use a half?
So I'm gonna put it right there. So this is how much we made. Stop! So we have this much. We didn't put a lot. It's gonna be good. So next,
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Stop. And this one you mix it. Mix it.
Let me see. Okay, let's. Oh my gosh. Now we need fruit coloring, so we're gonna get the fruit coloring right now. Okay, so we can't find any fruit coloring, so we're just gonna leave it white for now. But we're gonna put something in.
Wait.
Hold it. Hold your spoon.
This is when you eat the glue.
So you're gonna put a lot into the seal.
Too much over there. I think that's enough.
It's not enough anymore. But
Can I mix it? Mix it, please.
use this side. We did put a lot. No, not yet. We did put a lot. Put a lot right there. So we're gonna mix it. I will mix it.
I want to mix it. I never mix it. I never mix it. Yes, you did. I'm mixing it. Yeah.
You guys keep complaining because we're not gonna get to mix.
Well, I didn't have a mix it. I don't know how to mix it.
It turned out kind of good, but good. Can't see. Who wants to put glitter in?
Me.
You do one and Bella do one. Actually, you. Wait, no, yet. Kill this. Kill. Okay, Bella's turn.
My turn.
Okay, there. Hold your spoon.
Now I get to
No,
mix it.
this is some. I mix it. You guys already put glitter. Okay,
It's not gonna look good.
all gooey now. It's not good enough.
It smells like
Now.
now.
Time.
I'm gonna put that in there.
So do not put too much, because the other one we accidentally did too much, guys.
I don't know how to mix it yet.
You guys have mixed it a lot already.
No. I didn't mix it.
So I'm mixing it. I'm gonna hold it like this. It's like dough now. It's too much glitter, I think.
What if we put that one on? We put this one on. Put this one on.
This one literally just gonna be all dough. Oh my gosh, it
Put
feels
this one
so
on
weird.
too, Passy. Put this one on.
Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. You don't know how weird this felt.
Passy, you
Like,
forgot this
it's
one
all
too.
gooey. I don't think this is for.
Passy, you forgot this one too.
It's just like butter slime. He made butter slime.
What about you use this one, Passy?
White butter slime.
Use this one. Hey, look. Like butter slime.
Yeah, probably.
Forgot this
Did
one.
you make those?
Forgot this one too, Passy. This one. I want more.
This is how it is. It's hard. I think I put too much of that.
We forgot to put this one on.
That was a fail. So let's do another one. Okay. Fail. Let's do another one.
Oh, no.
Take two.
Yeah, do this one.
Now we're gonna be using clear glue, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just doing it myself now. So I think probably so. So I'm gonna use glue again. It's so boring, so I'm just gonna do this. Actually, it's not. It's boring, but I mean it's boring, but it's fun making some rhyme and all. But not used to doing channels like this, guys. It's like my first time doing it by myself. I'm gonna take 2. After where's my spoon? Mix this. I'm gonna make it just look normal. I'm not gonna put no color but I didn't put that much. It's like that thing. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's like manzana or whatever it's called. It's like drawing on the cakes, like again thicker. That's probably good. So that I guess I'm just gonna make it clear. But do not put too much because the other one was actually too hard. And this is my activator, guys. Just like that. I will see you when it's